So as you have seen in the video you just watched, you can be able to locate where all these features are in your MetaTrader 5, and it's very important you know how to find them because you'll be using them during your trading. Now, there's what forex traders call forex trading sections. There are four sections, basically four sections in forex trading: Sydney section, the Tokyo section, the London section, and the New York section. So this Sydney section starts at 4 a.m. and ends at 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Probably if you're watching this video and not in Nigeria, you can just convert this to your own GMT in your country. So for in Nigeria, it's from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. for Sydney section. For Tokyo section, it starts trading from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. London section from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. New York section from 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. So what this means is that there are some pairs that actually open by 7 a.m. That is, by 7 a.m. you start getting liquidity. That is, the pairs are moving in a very nice trending manner. By this time, it's not as if these pairs don't open, they're not open 24 hours for the 5 trading days, because forex is traded Monday to Friday, only Monday to Friday on forex. If the market closes by 12 a.m. or 10 p.m. on Fridays. So, but every pair is opened to trade throughout those 5 days. But between this particular time, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., there are some certain pairs that are very good. You can trade them on this certain time and make huge profits. Those pairs, like in the New York section, 8 p.m. to 5 p.m., trading pairs like USD JPY, you make more profit than when you trade them outside of this time. So outside of this time, 8 p.m. to 5 p.m., the pairs are currently on. You can trade them, but your profit may not be much because at this point in time, the market is actually not open. So the market is actually not trading much. So you will not make much profit, but you can still trade on them. The same thing with London section and Tokyo section. So in the Forex Made Easy course, every currency pair that actually trades during these sections will be listed. So you can know when to trade, so that if you need to wake up in the morning and trade, probably you will be going to work from 9 a.m. and you will not be able to trade. You can be able to wake up in the middle of the night and trade. And trade for pairs that are open at certain time of, and that those certain time of the morning. You can trade on those pairs. So you can be able to trade forex at any certain time. Time will not be a problem. Time will not be a problem because you will be able to find every time you can trade anytime you can trade forex. So as forex trader, you have time you can be able to trade. For example, if you are the type that is very busy, or the career type, you work during the day, you can be able to trade the New York section that starts by 8 p.m. to 5 p.m. So maybe when you're back from work by 6 or by 7, you can start trading from 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So you can, and you have all those time to trade till 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. when you now go to your work or your business. So there's always time for everybody to trade. So time, it's not actually a problem in trading forex because you have time allocated for every type of person and every type of trader. Now there is the trading style. For every trader has a trading style to trade, or they used to trade. And the trading styles are grouped into four: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So the scalping is a short-term type of trading which the traders make use of short time frames like minutes and seconds. Like I explained in the video previous video about 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So scalping traders make use of short time frames as that. Why day traders? They are also short term traders, but they hold their positions. If they open positions and hold it for like throughout the day. So meaning that as a trader, you can open a position now and hold it for 24 hours without closing it. Even if it's on a profit, you can still leave it open and you want to make more and more profit. You leave it open for a whole day. So that's day trading. Swing trading is a medium term trading, where a trader holds the position for several days. That means you want to make much more profit. So you can keep a position open for like 2 days, 4 days, 5 days. And the more you leave the position open, the more profit you make. But then you need some amount of capital to be able to do that. Then position traders are long-term traders. This is the type of trading banks do. They leave the position for weeks, for months, and for years. Big investors, big companies, people with big, large amount of capital are those that trade position trading because they can just leave their accounts trading throughout months and they just leave it that way and go about their other duties. So, step-to-step videos on how all this trading works, how to make profit trading them have been made provided in the video course. So when you get the video course, you will learn how to, position yourself as any of these type of traders. You must belong to any of them, either knowingly or unknowingly, either on purpose or without knowing. You must be a certain you must fall under any of these categories through the way you trade. Now you must have a trading plan as a trader. No trader trades with a trading plan. In fact, every good trader has a plan. One of the core areas in any business is having a business plan which guides how the business is run. It's the same in forex. Without concise trading plan in forex, significant progress cannot be sustained. So a good trading plan in forex should focus on capital protection, profit sustenance, loss mitigation, continuous strategy restructuring, and risk management, mindset, and psychology with your trading attitude. Many traders are good in their skills, but the thing that makes them to blow their accounts and to lose their trades is because they don't have a trading plan. You don't have a plan of how much you want to make. You don't have a plan of what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Your trading plan should consist of your do's and don'ts, which is where your mindset or psychology comes in. So you must have some set of strategies you take in to prevent you from losing, and you must have some kind of strategies you take in to guard against your capital. So there is actually no general plan in trading forex. Plans are created using the following points mentioned in addition to your level of expertise and growth in forex market. So every trader has their different type of trading plan and it depends on how much you're growing in the market. For example, if you start with $50, your trading plan can be just trading 2 times a week or 3 times a week and you take small profit. Once you're making $1, you just take the profit and you drop it. You don't want to trade for a long time. But when you when you have made up to like $10,000 or $1,000, you can be able to, open large trades. You can be able to keep your trade open for a longer time. When you open trades, you can wait for it to get to like $20, $50 a particular trade before you close it because your capital has increased. And it also depends on your knowledge. If you are an expert or you have grown in a certain level, you can be able to leave your trades open. You can be able to trade as you like. But as a newbie, you can't do all those things because you're just starting out. You don't have any skills. You don't know what you're doing. So you just take little profit and you leave. So your trading plan should consist of these points, these 6 points. Here's an example of a trading plan. So my trading plan is this. I would earn 100% of my trading equity in 1 month. So I make sure that in 1 month I've made 100% of my trading equity. What I mean by trading equity is what I actually funded my account with. So if I fund my account with $50, in a month I should have made 100% of it. That is extra $50. So I should have a total of $100. So it's my plan. So the second one is I will set a near-term goal and make at least 25% uh, of my trading capital in 1 week, and I will plot this target daily. So I must make at least 25% of my trading capital in 1 week. So if I have to make 25% of my trading capital in 1 week, I have to be able to every day I'll review my target. Every day I'll review my target. So because if I must make 1 week is 5 days of trade, I'm trading for 5 days. That is, there's 5 days of trading forex. So if I must make 25%, I have to divide 25 by 5. That means a day I should make at least $5 a day. So once I make $5, I stop trading for that day and wait for the next day. And you must follow your trading plan strictly, because once you start defaulting on your trading plan, you start losing. If I am behind my trading plan for the quarter, I will take a break to evaluate my trading system. When you notice you're already making maybe a lot of losses, and you're not following your trading plan, you're not following it, you're not making 100%, maybe probably if you decided you must make 100% a month, you have to just reevaluate. So what I do is I reevaluate my plan. When I notice I'm not following my plan, I'm not succeeding in my plan, I stop trading for some certain time to go back and check where the problem is from. So I will not trade more than 3 markets per day. That is more than 3 currency pairs. So I don't trade more than 3 currency pairs. Once it's more than 3 currency pairs, I stop trading. Most times it's not easy to follow trading plans. So most times I break my trading plans. I even trade 5 pairs, 6 pairs, 7 pairs. But the reason is it's not because I want to break my trading plan. It's because I've gotten to a certain level of expertise and knowledge. That's why I said your trading plan depends also on your knowledge. There's a knowledge you get to. You can increase your trading plan or break above it, increase it. But once you're starting out, your trading plan has to be tight and strict. If I have more than 4 losing trades in a row, I will take a trading break of 2 days to reassess the market. So that's what I do whenever I have 4 losing trades in a row. I have to go back and take a break of 2 days to know why I made such losses. So anytime I take a break, I would close losing trades, set protective stop loss on winning trades, and take profit at reasonable targets should I be unavailable and market gets to my target level. So whenever I want to take a break, I have to close all open trades. Whether it's in a loss, I'll close them because I have to go on a break. The ones that I can't close, I'll put stop loss on them so that they will not move so much against me. I will take 70% out of my account and invest in non-forex related business like real estate and reinvest 30%. So when I've made 100% a month, I remove 70% and invest in something else like real estate, leave 30% and keep on trading with 30%. I also record my daily trade activities in my trading log and review them weekly. So every week I record every day. Then at the end of the week I review to see if I'm making profits or if I'm making loss and the reasons for making losses or reasons for making profit. I will know my ratios and results and would work to improve on them by at least 5% per week. So every week I try to increase my results by 5%. So by actually assessing what I have done for the previous week, I'll invest 4 hours a week to update my knowledge on forex and learn new trading strategies. So every week I take 4 hours out to learn new things, because as a forex trader you are still learning. No matter how even great professionals, they still learn new strategies because the market is always changing. So you have to learn new strategies to trade in the market. So every week I take 4 hours to learn. There's actually no rule in creating a trading plan. Just know what works well for you and you can discover that by continuous trading. Every trader has his own unique trading plan. So in the Forex Made Easy course, you'll be introduced on how to create your own trading plan, just like I've mentioned in this video. So non-farm payroll, this is one of the most important news in Forex, even though even though there are news released every day. This is what we call traders call king of all news. This is a news. This is about fundamental analysis. Like I said, fundamental analysis makes up 10% of your trading profit. So there's what is called NFP. This news helps you to trade very well in the forex market. So this is a news released by United States of America among all the news released by the US. This is the highest because it causes the most volatility in the market. Non-farm payment payroll is one of the biggest news every trader awaits on. It is released every first Friday of the month at 8:30 EST. So every first Friday of the month, this news is released, and it's what to determine what will happen in the forex market. It affects the forex market hugely throughout that month or throughout that week. So that 12:30 p.m. GMT, 1:30 p.m. GMT for Nigerian time, and 2:30 p.m. for South African time. This is when you get that news. In Nigerian time, you get it by 1:30 Nigerian time. This is the highest because it causes the most volatility in the market. Non-farm payment payroll is one of the biggest news that every trader waits on. So simple steps in trading. First of all, you have to first choose a good broker, then log into their website and register. Secondly, open a demo account and a real account on the broker's website. You have to open a demo and also a demo because you start practicing with a demo first for some months. Then for real account, when you are done trading and done practicing and you're sure you can be able to start trading real account, you fund your real account you have opened. Fund the real account if you have mastered trading with the minimum balance required by the broker. Go to Play Store, download the MT5 or MT4 depending on the app the broker recommends. Log into your MT4 MT5 app with the login details provided by the broker on your dashboard or email address. Then you start trading. Then 7. Log into your dashboard on the website of the broker, then request for withdrawal after making profit. So, okay, before this, the next video will be on the steps in trading. In the next video, you'll be watching how you can take a trade comfortably, even as a newbie in Forex. In this video, I'll be showing you how to start your trading. So the first thing first is to open an account with a broker. And like I said, there are different brokers. So for this training, let me use Xness. So their website is www.xness.com. So click on it to open. When it loads, I will open an account with them. Okay, it has opened. Then you can see where you have open account. You click on open account. Tap on open account. When you tap on open account, you can start registering. You can register. If you have an email, if you have an account, you sign in. But if you don't have, you put in your country, you select your country, you put in any country you are from. Then you select your email, you put in your email, then you choose a password. Make sure that the password is up to 15 characters, 8 to 15. There must be lowercase and uppercase, combination of numbers and letters, special characters like full stop, apostrophe. Then you click on I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen of the residence of the US. Then click continue. Then your account is open. Once your account is open, I'll show you the way it looks like once you have opened an account with them. Once you open an account with them, this is how it looks like. You have real and demo. You can see real and demo, then archived. So I have I opened a real account with them sometime, but I've withdrawn every money on it. You can see $0.79. It's there. So I have demo account with them. But if you are just opening for the first time, you won't see any of this account. You won't see this account here. You won't see it for a real account. And then for a demo, you won't see any of these accounts here too. So when you after watching this video, as you watch this video, open one real account with them. You can click on open new account, then it will load. You click on standard. Don't click on standard sense, click on standard. Open real account at standard. So try demo, open real account. So start with a demo account, click on try demo. It's account type demo real. Click on demo. If it's a real account you're opening, you tap on real. But if it's a demo account, you tap on demo. So I'm opening a demo account for now. Then which of the apps do you want to use? Is it MT5 or MT4? So you tap on which of them. Probably you can use MT5. You leave it at MT5. Then the leverage. Don't change the leverage. Don't touch the leverage. Just leave it at what it is. Then starting balance. Starting balance 500. So this is the virtual money they provide for you. You can increase it to whatever you want. But I always advise start with the amount you feel that you would actually start with when you want to start your real account. If you know that you want to start with $100, don't use more than $100 for your demo. Don't use $1,000. Don't use $10,000. Use the one you want to start with so that you will be learning exactly with the amount you know you want to trade with. So let me put $100. Then put in password with uppercase numbers and so by the time I put in from 8 to 15 characters, 8 to should not be more than 8 to 15. Okay, so I click create on account. By the time I click on create on account, my account is created. So when you have created your account, the next thing is to go over to download the app. So you can click on your Play Store for those using Android. For those using Apple for iPhone, you click on your Apple Store. So you type MetaTrader 5. You can see because I already have it on my phone, it's saying update. But if it's your first time of downloading it, it will write install. You install it into your phone. Now when you install it into your phone, it appears on your phone. So you can see I have it already, MT5 and MT4. So the first thing is first opening an account with a forex broker, then downloading the app into your phone. So after you have installed the app, the next thing is to open the app, and in this part of the video I'll be showing you how to take a trade, how to take your trade, and how to make profit. So this is where you have the currency and the quotes. In the previous video I explained every feature on the app, so I'm sure you must have watched that other video, so you understand when I'll be using some terms and the places I'll be opening on the app. So I want to take a trade on the BTC USD. You can see the BTC USD. I want to take a trade on it. So you tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see new order chart, properties, market statistics, simple view mode. Now, the only thing you're concerned with is new order and charts. Properties, market statistics, and simple view mode are not important at this level. So the first thing is to analyze your chart to know if it's a buy or a sell you are going to take. So click on your chart, then you go to the chart. Now, when you open your app for the first time, it will be very, very plain. You won't see all these uh, um, things that are drawn on the chart. Your chart will be so plain. So this is how your chart will be the first time you open your app. It will be so plain and so ordinary. So with candlesticks and not lines. So I'm taking it to the default settings. So this is how your app will be. So you can change your settings to the way you like it to be. The white candlesticks shows bulls or buying pressure that the market is buying, and the black candlestick shows that the market is selling. So whenever you see a black, when a black is beginning to display on the screen, that means the market is selling at that point. When it's a white candlestick, that means the market is buying at that point. So I want to take a trade on BTC USD. So I look for BTC USD, and you can see BTC USD at the top of the screen. So you tap on it, click on charts. It takes you to this chart. Now, as a trader, it's always good if you're starting with a little account, probably from below $800. You use small time frames like 15 minutes time frame. So use the 15 minutes time frame here. Then we want to analyze what's happening. For you to have a clear understanding of what's happening in the market, you have to zoom in, because when you zoom out like this, you cannot really understand if the market is selling or if the market is buying. Sorry, this is not BTC USD. Let's go to BTC. This is BTC. So when you zoom out like this, you won't understand what's going on. You'll be confused and you take a wrong trade. So to understand what's happening in the market, you have to zoom in and not out. So at this point in time, looking at the trend, you can see it looks as if the market is actually buying because it's moving up, and some point it's about to move down. So are we going to take a buy? Are we going to take a sell? So as a trader, as a newbie trader, every newbie trader will say the market is selling at this point because it's coming down, because it's moving down. You can see it's moving down, but actually that might not be that might not actually be the truth. So the way to find out what the market is actually doing, you go to a higher time frame, like let's go to H1, 1 hour. And when you look at 1 hour, you find out that the market is buying. Now, what I mean that the market is buying, normally when you open your chart, it comes with these default lines, this default line. So whenever this particular candlesticks are above this line, that means it's still buying, it's on a buying trend. Now if I zoom out, you find out that these are candlesticks. Remember, it's because I zoomed in, it looks as if they are lines. When I zoom in, it looks as if they are lines. So but from this, you notice that the trend is actually moving up and not moving down, because you see it's moving up, though it came down here, it's moving up. So it's more likely to do more of moving upwards than moving down. It's doing more of moving up. So I can see that the trend is moving up, though it's having little downtrends. So I go back to my 15 minutes time frame. So you use your higher time frames to check what is currently happening in the market, but you take your trade using lower time frames. So if the market is at a buy trend, then you cannot, as a trader, you cannot pick a buy from this part. You can't pick a buy from here because it's moving down. So this is a situation like this, you use what is called a buy stop. A buy stop, like I explained in the former video, it's when the market, you believe that the market will move at a higher price, and you want to take your trade at when it moves to a higher price, but it has to be buying for you to use a buy stop. So I can't even use a buy stop in this particular trade. uh a sell stop is when the market is selling and you believe it's going to go down and keep moving down. That is a sell stop. And I don't believe it's going to go down. I believe it's going to go up. It's going to reverse and go up. So I can't take a sell. I can't take a sell stop. So a buy limit is when it's moving up and you believe it's going to move down a little and before going up. So a buy limit is good for this current market because it's moving up. It was moving up, then it started moving down. It's moving down at the moment, and I believe it's going to reverse and move up again. So what I'll do is I'll place a price which I believe is going to hit at that price. Once it hits at that price, it will reverse and start moving up. So let's say I believe that it's going, when it hits at this price, is going to hit at this, coming down to hit at this price, it will hit at this price, then go back and start moving up. I'll take a buy limit. So at the price there is 23281. So I click over here, 23281. Okay, I have to refresh this. And I use a little, well, as a newbie, start with a very low lot size. So I use a buy limit 23281. So I believe it's going to come to 23281 before it starts moving up. Then to put my stop loss, I will come back to place my stop loss. Now I'm going to take different trades. Now this is the trade I have taken. This is what I've taken. So, but I'm also going to take a particular trade. Let's say as a newbie, I believe it's selling. Let's say I take a sell because it's going down. Let's say I take a sell because the one I just took now, I took it as a professional. But let's say you're starting out, I believe okay that this is selling. I take a sell. So I'll click over here. Then I click on a sell. You see, it says not enough money. So I can't take a sell at this point. So it won't allow me to take a sell because they say I don't have enough money at this period. Let me see what I can do. If I can close the position and okay, let me see if I can take a sell now. Okay. Okay, now take a sell. I've taken a sell. So this is the one I just took right now. You see, it's reading at 0.18. Like I said in the previous video, whenever you take a trade, it starts reading negative because of spread, because of the spread. And this is the spread, like I explained in the former video. This is the spread, this spread. So it starts reading negative until the market keeps moving and moves in your favor. Then it starts becoming blue in color, which is profit. So it's here, it's moving 0 minus 0.11. It keeps moving to 0.10, 0.09, 0.07, 0.05, 0.01. Then it moves to a plus. Once it moves to a plus, it changes to blue and starts moving. So this is how to take a trade. It's that simple. This is how I took all these other trades that are in profit right now. So you don't be scared whenever you take a trade. You don't expect to take a trade and it's in profit. Just relax. Relax. Before you know it will reverse and start coming to your favor. Once you know what you're doing, it must come to your favor. These other trades that I read, it's because I didn't analyze them. I just took them like that because of practice. So I didn't analyze it. Okay, you can see it's now in a you see, it's now in a blue. It's now in a blue. You can see that. You see, we are making profit now. So if I want to close this trade in this profit, let's say it's up to $3. I want to close it. I'll tap on it. I'll tap on hold on it. You see close position. Click on close position. So I've taken my profit. Look at the profits. Where is it? Okay, where is it? Where is that profit? Okay, the profit didn't register. Okay, that's it. That's the profit I just took right now. You can see it. The 0.23 is not up to $1. So that is how you keep on taking profit small, little by little. Before you know, in a day, you must have made $100. It's that as simple as that. So let me take another one again. I click on this part and let's say I take a sell. Before that, you have to always look at your chart. Always go and check what's happening in the market. Don't assume. Always check. So okay, I feel let me zoom out. So if I zoom out, okay, you see that at this point there's having a white candle. That means it's buying a bit. See, but generally, if I look at the trend of the market, the trend is collections of candle, the movement of collections of candles. So all these candles, collections of all of them shows that it has been selling. So but here is buying. So but it can continue selling. Let me presume that it's going to sell to this point. I'll place a stop, a sell stop. A sell stop is when it's selling and you believe it's going to still sell to a lower price. I'll place a stop loss at 23541. But because I want you to understand how to take a trade straight, I'll just take a sell. Take a sell right now. So I've taken another sell. This is another sell. Now, let me show you how to put your stop loss and take profit. Now, you tap and hold on this. You go to modify position. You see after close position, close by modify position. Now, this is where you put your stop loss and take profit. Now, let's go back to our chart to analyze it. Now, you place because you took a sell that it's moving down. That means your take profit should be this part. Whenever it moves down to, let's say, whenever it moves down to 23545, I take profit. Now, the distance from where it is now to here, this distance is what will give you your profit. Remember I talked about pips and lot size. I won't explain that in details because it requires a lot of explanation, which has already been explained in the Forex Medici video training course. But if I'm to take my stop loss, I will take my stop loss above this part. That means when it reverses, it will start going against me, and whenever the trend is going against you, you'll be making a loss. So the trend is moving down. The more it keeps on moving down, the more and you took a sell, which means downtrend, you'll be making profit. But once it starts going up, which is a buy, and you took a sell, you are making a loss. So I'll place my stop loss, let's say at this point. I don't want it to exceed this point because once it starts moving backwards, it starts making a loss. So the more it goes back, the more it keeps on going high, I'll be making more losses. So I don't want it to go down much because if it goes too much, I can lose all my capital. So I'll put my stop loss at 23659. So we'll go over here, 23659. Click here, 23659. Okay, it's about to enter a profit. So that is it here, 23659. So you tap and hold and click on modify position. So SL means stop loss 23659. Okay, then okay, it's for at this moment it won't allow you to put this because it's very close to the It's very close to the current price. So you have to increase it 23758. Okay, you have to increase it. Whenever you're taking your stop loss and take profit at a very close price, very close to where the market is trending at that particular time, it the broker won't allow you to place it because you before you place that trade, the price would have gotten to that price and it will not be triggered. So you have to give it a little allowance and allow the price to get to that place. So you have to place your stop loss a little bit far away from the current price, or a little bit, and your take profit a little bit far away from your current price. So I place my stop loss here. Then I go back to the chart. So let me look for where I'll put my take profit. Let's say I put my take profit at this part 23545. Let's see whether the broker will allow us. 23545. 23545. Okay, yes. Then you click on modify. So it is now, you see, it's already entering a profit already. It's about entering a profit. So to check our stop loss and take profit that we have set, you click on modify position again. You can see it has been set. So you can just tap on it a little bit. Tap on it. You see, whenever you have placed your stop loss and take profit, to appear at this point. So if the price keeps moving down in your favor and it gets to 23545 to trigger, and once it triggers, this position will be closed. And once it's closed, it will go over here and register as profit. It will register here as profit. But if it goes backwards, if it goes back and triggers at your stop loss, whenever your position triggers at a stop loss, that means it closed in a loss. And when you come over to this area, you will still see it. It's not in blue color this time, but in a red color. You see it in a red color, just like the way you see blue here, you see it in a red, and that's a loss, and it will be subtracted from this current profit. So I have $81 profit. So this is how to take your trade, analyze your chart. It's that simple. You go to any currency, you pick the currency, you analyze your charts, and you take your trade. When you start learning more and more, you start learning how to place what we call indicators. Indicators will guide you. You don't need to do so much analysis. Indicators will tell you, okay, enter this part and enter this part. So now there's what is called signals. Signals is what many forex traders give their maybe their students, or even as a friend. You can give your friend a signal. Let's say, for example, I don't have the time to trade, or I don't understand how to trade. Now I can tell my student or my friend, I'll tell him, okay, that the market BTC USD is currently selling, and I'll tell him, okay, BTC USD, I'll tell him to take a sell. You see things like this on people's status. I'll tell him to take a sell. Current price, I'll tell him to take, or give him the current price it is at that moment, let's say X. Then I'll tell him to take a sell at that moment, or take a sell stop. I'll tell him to take a sell stop at 235,545, 23545. Then I'll tell him to place a stop loss at 23717, and place take profit at 23500. So take note of this. Now the sell stop is what? 23545. The most important thing in everything I've written here is this from here: sell stop, stop loss, take profit. So the sell stop is 23545, take profit is 23500, stop loss is 23717. So now when someone gives you a signal like this, all you have to do is you go to the currency, you click on the currency pair. This is BTC USD. You click on new order. Click on new order, and the signal says sell stop, and it says 23, I think it was 23545. Then it says stop loss at 23717, and it says take profit at 23500. So okay, 23500 is because the price is too close, so it's not going to trigger. So most times whenever this part is not highlighted, that means something is wrong. One price is very close to the current price, and as you can see, it's from the take profit, because once I wipe it off, it shows place. Oh, it's even the stop loss, everything is very close, it has come close, so I can't place any of this at this moment. So most times whenever someone gives you a signal, if you don't use that signal in between the next 5 minutes, it may become invalid because the price will move very fast. Let's say I'm going to take the price at 23500 now. Then the signal, let's say the stop loss price is 23500. The sell stop price at 23500. The stop loss is at 23, and the stop loss has to be higher. So let's say 23700, and the take profit has to be lower than 23500, which is let's take 23300. So I place. Once you click on place, it will enter pending orders. It will go to pending orders. That's it. See that pending orders. So when I tap on it, you can see everything we have taken. You can see the sell, the stop loss, take profit, and the price we took it at 23500. So going back to your charts, we took it at 2. We are waiting for the price to get to 23500. 23500. Let's go to 1 minute time frame so we can see it. So 23500. To use my cross pointer, see the cross pointer here. Click on the cross pointer, then start moving it. Let's look for where 23500 is. Okay, it's still so much down. Okay, let me use a 30 minutes time frame. I'll be able to see it in a 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 23500. That's it. You can see where it is at 23500. That's where you are waiting for the price to come down and hit. It's almost close. When it hits to this place, it will start trading to trigger and keep on moving down. And our take profit is at 23300. So 23300, we'll click the cross point at 23300, still below it. 23300. So that's where the take profit. So we're waiting for the price to trigger at this part. This way it's going to trigger. Once it triggers, we believe it will keep on moving down. So when it moves down, which is here, it will take profit. So the distance from here to here is where my profit is. So I'll subtract 23300 from 23500. That is 200 pips, which can be $200 depending on the lot size. It can be $200, it can be $2,000 depending on the lot size. It can be $20, it can be $2 depending on the lot size. It can be $10. So the lot size determines how large the amount you're going to make. But this is 200 pips. So, but our stop loss is somewhere above here and there at this point. This is where our stop loss is. So if it reverses and hits this point, you're going to make a loss. So this is just how to take a trade on your MetaTrader 4. So in the Forex Made Easy course, everything is explained in details. There are more videos, there are more explanations and procedure and you will learn daily signals. There are even Telegram groups where you can get signals. Probably you don't even want to trade, you just want to just get the signals, and you place your signals in your app and you make your profit. You have Telegram groups you can join. These are all in the Forex Made Easy course. At this moment, I'll also be showing you how to withdraw when you have made your profit. So to withdraw, you go back to your broker, website of your broker. So I am going back to my dashboard at xnest.com, as I showed in the previous video. So I'll go back to my dashboard. That is the account you opened with your broker, because you're trading on that particular account using that MT5 app. But now you're going back to your account on their website, and that is, you can only withdraw through the website and not through the app. It's trying to load. Okay, this is the app. Now it has loaded. Once it loads, you click these three horizontal lines at the you click the three horizontal lines above here, and when you click on these three horizontal lines, you go to my accounts. Click on my account, because you probably would have had 2 or 3 accounts. So you click to get the one you want to withdraw from, and then you click withdraw. I currently withdrew from this account. This account I'm clicking on right now, I currently withdrew from it some days ago. I removed all the money in it. So you can see I deposited using a particular bank. This is my account. So once you want to deposit into your account, the same account you used to deposit is the same account you used to withdraw. If you want to withdraw using a different account, you have to um, go to the customer care, meet the customer care online to let them know that you want to use a different account, and this is done for security reasons. So in case maybe somehow someone gets hold with your account, with your forex account, the person will not transfer all your money to his own account. So the forex broker won't allow you to change your account just like that. If not, anybody can pick your phone and change your account to his account, and transfer all your money from your forex account to his bank account. So because I already have a method, let's say I don't have any, I've not really chosen any method for transferring my balance from my forex account. I'll click on online bank. There are so many ways. You have stick pay, a lot. You have web money, USD coin for those that want to transfer to cryptocurrency. You have USD Theta, you have stick pay, you have Skrill, perfect money, online bank, Neteller, mybox. So for those in Nigeria, I think the local transferring to your local bank account is more faster, except you want to transfer to your cryptocurrency wallet. So I click on online bank. When I click on online bank, it will load. I will now say, okay, which bank do I want to um, transfer to? And okay, let's see. See, I already registered with a particular bank, so it's not even allowing me to change it at the moment. It doesn't allow me to change it at the moment because I've registered already with a particular bank. So, but if you're opening a new account, you will have this place blank. So you'll be the one to put in your account number, and when you put in your account number, you put in the bank, then the currency Nigerian naira, then you now select the account. If you have more than one forex account, select the one you want to withdraw from. So I just have one real account on this Xnest broker. Then you now type in the amount. and you can only withdraw from $3 to $12,000 a day. So once you type in the amount, they will now tell you if it's possible for you to withdraw it. If you don't have that kind of money, they'll tell you insufficient. So I don't have any money in this place right now. Now see what $5,000 is an equivalent in Nigerian naira according to their own exchange rate. $5,000 is 2.9 million. So if you divide 2.9 million by 2.9 million by 5,000, you get the exchange rate. I think it's about 589 currently. So once you have done this, you click on continue. And when you click on continue, it will see not enough money. I just have so and so balance, not enough money. So but if I had up to this amount of money here, once I click on continue, the next thing to say transfer successful, it will transfer. Then you get an alert on your phone or on your mobile banking app to show that you have withdrawn. Now let me show you my transaction history to show you that I've withdrawn from this account. Now this is my transaction history. You can see I withdrew on 29th of June 2022. I withdrew $25. $25. You can see $25 and it was successful. Done, successful. And I got an alert on my phone. I got an alert in equivalent of naira. So this is the only transaction I have done. Okay, this is just for July because I've done other transactions before now. I've done before the last 30 days, I've done so many other transactions. So this is how you can withdraw. Assuming you want to deposit, you can still deposit into your account. Probably you want to start trading, you click on deposit. Click on deposit. You can see that this is already highlighted recommended because this is the method I've used. But assuming this is your first time, you won't get this recommended. You will just see every other. You see this online bank transfer appear like this every other ones over here. You see them appear like this. So you choose the one you want to. Probably if you want to use cryptocurrency, you click on USD Theta to deposit. Then you state the amount you want. Then you click on continue. So before you can be able to withdraw with a different account you have been using to withdraw, you have to deposit with that account. Let's say for example, I used to withdraw with my online banking account to my local account. That is, I withdraw to my local bank account, but I want to withdraw into my cryptocurrency wallet. Before the broker can allow me to do that, I have to deposit into my forex account using that particular cryptocurrency wallet. Once I've deposited maybe little money, let's say I want to withdraw $300, I'll have to deposit maybe like $10 to activate that particular transaction method. So once I deposit $10, I can now withdraw the whole 300. Okay, now I'm sure you must have understood how you can trade comfortably in forex. You can see how easy it is. You just have to understand the skills, understand how the market works, and then you can be able to take your buy or your sell. It's that easy. So it's not as difficult as people make it to seem. It's just that a lot of people don't learn the skill properly, so they actually blow the account or they don't make profits in forex. So, what are the kind of questions that someone can ask? One of the questions is, can I start forex with a small amount? Yes, you can start with a as low as $50. Even there are some forex brokers that allow you to fund with $10, but I advise you to start with $50. Because that is what I started with. So, as you trade, you can keep on increasing your profit. When you have little money, you now transfer it to forex account, because the amount of money you have when trading forex determine how fast your account is going to grow in forex, or determine the much profit you make in forex. So how much can I make as profit daily? You can make as much as even $10, $10,000 daily. It all depends on certain factors like how large the amount you trade, the market movement, your skill, and the trading psychology. So when your capital is big, you can be able to take high lot size. And when you take high lot size, just a little movement in the market, you have made $10,000, I've made $2,000, I've made $1,000. So you also, and depends on the market movement. So if the market is not moving, there are sometimes in the market or in certain days that the market doesn't move well, and you don't have to force the market. You don't have to jump into the market to trade. You have to wait when the market starts trending well, either moving up or moving down, not ascending, not consolidating. So you be able to pick out from the market movements the right time to enter trade. Then your trading psychology is how you react, because if you don't have the right trading psychology, you can jump into a certain market, forex market, and you make loss, or you can jump out of the market feeling that you're making a loss without knowing that the next minute the market will turn in your favor. So how long can I trade the demo account before trading the real account? First, be under a coach who will guide you, and the coach will actually determine when you can start trading the real account. You can also on your own determine when you can start trading a real account if you have traded the demo account for at least 6, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. But I don't advise anybody to trade the demo for more than 9 months, because you get deceived that you are actually trading real account. So when you enter your real account, you will not understand anything anymore, because that time you will now be trading real money, and your psychology will start, showing up. So then when you are trading on demon account, when you're making loss, you will not feel anything, because it's actually not real money. But when you start trading on a real account, when you see little loss, you become scared. So it's good you start trading the real account in time, though you start with a demo account to understand the market and to gain more skills and strategies. But once you have gained all these things, you have to move to trading your real account. So with this, I've come to the end of this video training. I assure you, if you follow step to step everything you have watched in this video, you would make your first $100 to $500 within 30 days. But then there is a lot to learn, because you won't want to be taking a risk to trade as a newbie on your own and lose your money, which is why you need a coach and a guide. I have suffered and lost a lot of money when I started off initially, until I got a course that exposed some hidden secrets on how to make as much as $5,000 monthly without making loss. There are some truths about trading and every skill you won't find on free videos except you pay to gain access to them. So forex is not difficult, but you can do it on your own. You can't do it on your own, sorry. You need in-depth training, which has been recorded in step-to-step procedure in a video course. So that's why you see people selling courses and books on video on forex, because there are some things you will not be able to get in the free video or free courses. So I've attached a link to get this course, which costs a one-time fee of 50,000 naira. When you get this course, you not only get access to the full premium training, but you also get one to make at least $50 during the training, which is half the course fee. So automatically you can make back 50,000 during the training. Access to a signal group where you'll be giving daily signals, so that even if you don't have time to analyze the market, you will still earn every day. Then you have access to 4 communities of top foreign traders. Then you have free one-to-one consultation section, actually, with me every week, and then or with any of the admins in the group. So you will be able to meet any of them and you have a consultation section with them, because every one of them are all forex traders. Then you have a $10 trading bonus from me. Then access link to get $1,000 trading capital from a top broker once you sign up. Then a money back guarantee of 50,000 naira spent in buying the course. If after 12 weeks of trading you don't see result, so you get your money back transferred back to you. If after 12 weeks and you have implemented everything you have gotten in the forex made easy course, you still don't get results, just request for a refund and your money will be transferred back to you. So after getting the course, you start implementing, and I assure you, you get results. This is how sure I am that you definitely start making as much as 250k weekly if you take action and get this same course that changed my life on forex, because there are top secrets in this course you would find on Google. To qualify for all these bonuses, copy the link below, that is link in red, and paste on your browser and purchase the course. So this is the link. You also find it in the description of this video. You find it there, and you can also send a DM to me and or to any of their admins, and they'll also reply you with the link. So after purchasing the course, send the screenshot proof of payment to the WhatsApp number, or to any of the admins, to get instant $10 transferred to your account. Send directly to your bank account, which is 5k, and you'll be added to the live practical training section. So once you purchase this course, 5,000 naira will transfer to your local bank account, not to your forex account, your local bank account. That means at the end of the day, you will not be paying 45,000 for the course, not 50,000, because 5,000 will be transferred back to you. That is after you have purchased the course, and you'll be added to the practical training group. So join the free Telegram channel in the description of this video, where signals will be posted every Friday, or at least 2 times in a month. So it's for everybody, for whether you have purchased this course or not. You can join the Telegram channel. Also, join this academy on Facebook for training on other trading opportunities like crypto and stock markets and other digital skills. So there's an academy called DBASA, that is DBASA on Facebook, which teaches about crypto for those that also want to go into crypto trading or stock market trading or other digital skills. So join the academy on Facebook, and the link to the academy is also pasted in the description below this video. If you have learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, and also comment. Also, I'll be picking from the comments in the comment section the best comments in the comment section, and the person will be getting a prize. But for you to be able to qualify for this comment to be given the giveaway, you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to like the video, then you comment, then I'll be picking the best, and I'll also be announcing the winner of the giveaway in the WhatsApp group or the Telegram channel. So see you in the practical live training section.